we've been eating for the past week? I've been missing the MREs we used to have back in the day.
What? We got plenty of good shit to eat. What about that bar we raided?
There's nothing but cheap beer there, Francis.
What about that peanut butter we had in that military base?
You mean the one we had to pry a zombie's head out of? Francis, you were there when we did it.
Well, how about...
Francis, that was dog food.
Yeah, but it was good though, wasn't it? What's your point?
Francis, every day I question how you made it this far. Zombie apocalypse or not.
Oh, what was that? Uh-oh.
Tank!
Shit! I didn't sign up for this shit! Shit!
I think I heard something bad. Real bad.
Where are you guys? Bill! Lewis! Francis! Guys!
Oh shit, man, no, no, no!
Weapons here!
This first aid'll help.
Hey, there's weapons over here! my god. We made that. Can you believe it?
Looks like we're gonna have to walk out of here.
I hate walking.
Like 5 minutes ago, you hated flying.
And it turns out I was right about that.
Reloading!
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 Let's just hike the hell out of here.
This is some gross ass shit.
Let's go.
Reloading! We need to go up that ladder. Ah, God damn it! I'm down!
It's not gonna get any better, you know.
Come on, lazy. Can't have you laying around all day. We gotta get quit fidgeting and let me heal you. Oh, shit. Rest in peace, old man.
Really. Thanks.
It's all good.
Got it. Weapons here!
Careful, guys.
Hey, can anybody hear me? God damn it, I'm trapped in here.
I'm
I'll
here.
owe you one.
Up there!
Reloading! Monsters all over the damn place and you gotta shoot me?
Reloading!
Reloading! Hold up, we got it.
Reloading!
I knew it was too good to last.
Turn those flashlights on.
Here, I got something for you.
Thanks a lot.
Doors opening. Get ready.
Here they come!
Weapons over here!
Good rifle. Nice.
I got you. Don't worry. I'm not gonna let you die. Come on, up you go.
Thanks.
Weapons here.
Safe house!
I feel pretty crappy.
Guys, get inside.
Reloading! Even being in a war doesn't prepare you for this. They never stop. They come at you and come at you, and they never goddamn stop.
At least we're safe now.
We're safe over here.
Careful.
Reloading! Look out! Move! Watch out!
Ammo here.
Holy shit.
There's a boomer tracking us.
Boomer!
Don't shoot that car.
Mother of mercy.
A hunter's on Zoe! want to say something. I hate helicopters. Look out!
Man, this takes me back.
Reloading!
Grabbing a pipe bomb.
Grabbing a pipe bomb.
Should be around here.
Reloading!
Weapons here!
On Zoe!
There it is!
Watch out!
Reloading!
Watch my back.
Got it. Hey, there's weapons over here! Fresh air.
I'm here. Don't worry. 1 second. I'll get you back on your feet.
Watch my back!
Oh, man. Something don't feel right. Ugh.
Hey, tough guy, heal up.
Ah, Christ, this hurts like hell.
Weapons here!
That's a witch.
Reloading!
Just hurt. You're a hunter. Come on out. Poor Reloading. Witch.
If you ignore the crazy guy and the zombies, nice town.
The witch.
Okay, I'm here. Don't worry.
There's a pipe bomb here.
1 second. I'll get you back on your feet.
head back up.
Reloading!
Huh. Check this out.
I'm better.
We're near a safe house.
Man, I knew we were gonna make it.
Damn it!
First aid here!
Smoker. He's gonna have to use that tongue to choke my fort out of his
This
ass.
first aid will help.
Look out!
Reloading!
Reloading!
Reloading! Ow! Ow! Why are you shooting me?
Weapons here.
Reloading!
Molotovs over here. Watch my back, please.
Last thing I heard, there's some kind of military outpost not far from here, up along the train tracks.
How do you know that?
Reloading!
Reloading!
some crazy zombie!
Should be a way up here.
I'm reloading. This way. Reloading.
Anyone want to guess what I'm eating right now? You okay?
Did they get my face?
You're fine, Zoe.
Thanks.
Hey, no problem.
Yeah, I got something for you.
Got it. Fire in the hole!
Reloading! Over! Jockey! Reloading! Yeah, you're gonna need this. Turn those flashlights
Thanks.
on.
I owe you one.
Merry Christmas.
We need to stick together.
I've been here before. I always liked this man's teeth.
Smoker!
Angry.
Reloading.
Hey, Francis, wasn't this the alley you were born in?
Yeah, ha ha ha.
Reloading!
There must be a panel or something to activate that bridge.
That's better than my plan. What was that? I didn't have it.
This is it. Get ready.
They're coming!
Reloading! Heads up!
Fire in the hole.
Reloading!
Reloading!
everything I can. Here, I got something for you.
Thanks, dude. Lewis, heal for Christ's sake.
Watch out!
Under!
Hunter's on Zoe!
Look out!
Reloading!
We're almost
We're
out
near
of
a
here.
safe house.
Hallelujah!
Assemble in the safe room!
That was good.
I mean, I'd like to hear your reasons why Lewis isn't some sort of lunatic. For all we know, he's a serial killer.
Hey, Francis, I got a good feeling about wearing your skin as a pretty dress.
See? I'm serious.
Weapons here!
Given, current goddamn events, that's not optimism. It's mental illness.
Reloading!
Use this container.
Switch! Shit!
I'm down!
Hold still, hold still.
Cover me.
This way.
Reloading! Reloading!
If anyone does it,
I hear the pilot!
Don't let him hear you.
hey, see that radio over there?
Reloading!
Smoker!
Here!
If anyone is out there, please respond.
Watch out!
Yes, hello. Gotta be honest, was fully ready to pull the plug and give up.
Reloading!
Time. Anyway, listen, I'm not a trouble here in need of some survivors. I'm being desperate. So, why not let me know where you're at, and I'll be over.
I'm here.
That's not all too useful. I'm not sure what you expect from me here, but... Okay, anyway. Defenses and whatnot. Let me know when to head out. In the meantime, I'll try to find out where
Hey, there's weapons over here.
is.
Let's go.
Fine with me. I'm gonna be on my way. See you soon.
Help is on the way. Get ready.
home and start some fires.
Great.
Weapons here.
I see what you're doing, but I imagine you're doing it better.
Healing, cover me.
Reloading!
Where the hell are you shooting? Watch out!
Hey, I'm here. Alright, listen. There was a lot of stuff getting you away from what I saw. I ain't risking landing this just to be bolted in. So, I'll provide some cover fire from up here. Once the coast is clear, I'm ready to get you.
Hold on! Gotta heal.
Charger!
You're not through yet, kid. Get up and let's go. These shitheads ain't gonna kill themselves.
Yo,
Weapons here!
thanks, man.
Sure thing, kid.
Watch where you shoot!
Reloading!
Reloading! Reloading!
Jockey!
Oh, by the way, there were like 3 tanks getting away from what I saw. I told you, right?
Who's your mama? Who's your daddy? They're coming!
Alright, looks like the coast is clear. Hop on.
Get to the helicopter! Get to the chopper! What the heck is that chopper doing?